Hi, I'm Beth, an engineer, innovator, mother, and outdoor enthusiast. For my family, hiking is not a casual walk in the park, it's an all-day adventure. We always have a plan for safety, food, and hydration. This used to be a problem. Just how much water do you pack for an extended family outing? With my team, I came up with a creative and effective solution, Surviveallwater, a portable, high-performance water filtration system that's able to remove almost all biological and chemical contaminants from just about any water source. Now, available water, like in streams or lakes, can be made safe to drink with this carry-and-go system. Surviveallwater uses 4 specialized filters. There's a pre-filter to remove sediment and other solids, a biological filter for bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics, and an ionic filter which removes 74 chemicals, including lead and mercury. There's also an optional iodine filter for virus protection. The Surviveallwater unit contains a few added perks, like dual USB chargers, LED lights for nighttime use, and a digital voltmeter to monitor your battery life. The system is powered by a lithium-ion battery pack. A single battery charge will provide 100 gallons of clean water. To recharge your battery, you can use the home charger, a car charger, and even a solar charger for complete off-the-grid use. There's also a separate base to charge one battery while a second is in use. Surviveallwater can also be an excellent filtration system for your tap water at home. By using Surviveallwater, you can eliminate up to 1,800 plastic bottles per year, keeping them out of landfills and the ocean. Good for you, good for the environment. Get out, stay out, be safe, and hydrate.